Hi guys, it's me again. Today, I wanted to show you how I make my Japanese-inspired egg salad. This is one of my favorite salads to put in my sandwiches, and this is also my husband's ultimate favorite egg salads, egg salad sandwich or whatever. When I make a batch of these, it's gone in like 2 to 3 days. That's how much he loves it. Anyway, why is it Japanese-inspired? It's because of, ta-da! Furikake. Furikake is a Japanese seasoning, and this one is the norikomi furikake, which is the roasted black seaweed. It has roasted white and black sesame seeds. It has dry green seaweed, and also roasted black seaweed. This gives my egg salad so much umami that it is so good, and I swear by you, it is so good. So I hope this video inspires you to make it as well. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.